Welcome to the presentation of the latest version of ZNJEA Prop for MT5. This robot is designed to make trading simple, powerful, and accessible for everyone. With a minimum deposit of just $100, it works perfectly on real broker accounts as well as funded accounts. The ZNJEA uses a scalping strategy, optimized for both beginners and advanced traders. Setup is extremely easy. You only need to adjust the risk level, and the EA will handle everything else automatically. That means you can start trading without needing deep technical knowledge. Whether you're looking to trade on your personal account or pass a prop firm challenge, this EA is flexible, safe, and efficient. Now, let's take a look at the backtest results so you can see the real power of ZNJEA Prop in action. Now we're going to launch a backtest with a starting balance of $5,000 using a minimum risk of just 1% per trade. This setup is ideal for prop firm rules, since it respects drawdown limits while aiming for steady growth. By keeping the risk low, the EA is able to manage trades safely, giving you a better chance of passing challenges and keeping your funded account protected. Let's see how the ZNJEA Prop performs under these realistic conditions in the backtest results. As we can see from the backtest results, with a $5,000 starting balance and only 1% risk per trade, the performance of ZNJEA Prop is very strong. The EA achieved a total net profit of $2,859, which is more than 57% growth on the account. The profit factor is 3.16, meaning the strategy makes more than 3 times the profit compared to the losses. The drawdown is very low at just 2.7%, making it fully compatible with prop firm rules and safe for real accounts. In terms of consistency, the robot executed 174 trades with a very high win rate of 88.5% on short trades and 85.9% on long trades. The largest profit trade was $74.74, while the losses stayed much smaller on average. The EA managed up to 30 consecutive winning trades, showing stable performance across different conditions. If you're interested in getting this robot, you can visit our official website at zinjia.com or reach us directly on Telegram. You'll find all the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.